Hello friends, welcome to this video. I am Dr. N. Namasivayam. Today I am going to teach methods of research or research methods, question and answer. Basically, there are two methods. One is called case study method and another one is called survey method. Strictly speaking, there are 10 differences between case study and survey. Let me explain one by one. First, meaning. What is case study? Case study refers to an in-depth study or deep study or thorough investigation. This is called case study. This study is relating to an individual, a single person, or an organization, one organization, unit, or group, or a particular situation. So this is called case study. So case study simply refers to in-depth study or detailed study or thorough study about a particular organization or individual or group or a particular situation. This is called case study. What is survey? Survey refers to research where data is gathered from the entire population or large sample. The most important point. In case study, particular organization, particular individual, particular group. But when you come to survey, entire population is studied or a large sample. What purpose? In order to comprehend. Comprehend means understand the opinion of a particular matter or a particular subject or a particular study. This is called survey. So survey means collecting data from the entire population or large sample. The difference regarding case study and survey regarding meaning. Second one, what's the purpose? The purpose of case study is to identify key issues, main problems, and also analyze the problems. So two important purposes for case study: identifying the key issues and analyzing the key issues or major issues. In case of survey, the main aim of survey is to understand the opinion of the respondents about a particular subject or a particular matter or a particular event. The main purpose of survey. Third difference, case study is suitable to the disciplines natural science, social science, including psychology, to study human behavior, whereas survey is suitable to politics and marketing. In marketing research, survey is best suited to understand the opinion of the respondents about a particular subject or a particular matter or a particular event. Next difference. Regarding case study, it adopts descriptive type research or exploratory type research. So case study is confined to descriptive type research or exploratory type research. On the other hand, survey is restricted only to exploratory research type. So whenever we want to apply survey method, we can use only exploratory type of research. Descriptive type of research is not suitable to survey. Next difference. Regarding collection of data, in case study method, data is collected from documents, interview and observation. One is personal observation and another one is participatory observation. From these three methods, data is gathered in case study, whereas in survey, as I said earlier, survey means studying the entire population, Data is gathered from the entire population or large sample. So in survey, data is collected through questionnaire. So the researcher has to construct questionnaire. This is the most popular tool of collecting data in survey. In addition to that, we can also apply interview, namely online interview and also telephone interview. So these three methods we can collect data in survey technique. Next difference. In case of case study, the research type, namely case studies are related to or adopting qualitative research method, whereas surveys are adopting quantitative research method. Next difference. In case of case study, the sample size is very small or no sampling, because when you study only one organization, no sampling, one individual, no sampling. If you study a group, then small sample. So case study involves small sample size, whereas survey on the other hand to entire population or large sample. This is the main difference between case study and survey. Next one. In respect of case study, it produces descriptive data. In-depth descriptive data alone, case study can produce, but the survey can produce numerical data. That's the most important point. Numerical data alone is suitable for analysis. So case study, descriptive data, survey, numerical data. Another difference regarding statistical tool. If you, in case of descriptive data, because survey produces only descriptive data, that data is not statistically significant. On the other hand, survey produces numerical data, so it is statistically significant. So case study, statistically not significant data, whereas survey data is statistically significant. Next difference. Regarding application, the findings of case study cannot be generalized. Why? Because case study is relating to only one organization, a group, or a particular situation. So it cannot be generalized because sample size is very small. But when you come to survey, entire population is considered or large sample is considered. So the findings can be generalized. So these are the various differences between case study and survey. See you in the next video with other interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.